Hi, I'm Dana, and I would like to invite you to a 5-session training and skills program in relational mediation. What is relational mediation and why do you need it in your life? More often than not, we find ourselves in conflictual situations. And most of us imagine conflict as a state of tension where we are unable to speak to another person, be it at work or at home, where we scream at each other, we can't find our words, we feel we are stuck in our communication. But sometimes conflict keeps us from being able to express anything of what it is important to ourselves, and we can spend years in relationships or in environments where talking about the things that are important to us becomes impossible. Conflict is a context, is a behavioral and relational context that makes us feel in a certain way. We don't have the same self-confidence we used to have. We are unaware of all the resources available to us to resolve the problem. We feel unable to ask for help. When we are in conflict, we also lose the capacity to listen to the other person. We victimize ourselves and we only look at our reality, our truth, our part of the problem. We don't want to have anything to do with the other person. And I have to say, relational mediation and mediation overall tends to be the solution to almost any kind of conflict. But there are conflicts where one of the parties or both require medical treatment or mental health treatment or therapy. And it's best if you know or you have identified that you are a part of a conflict with somebody who needs that kind of treatment. It's better for you to know that mediation might not be a solution for you, and you might want to look for medical or legal advice. In this 5-session skills training and practice program, because we are going to practice, you will learn how to shift the quality of your interaction with the other party to a conflict from negative to positive. You will also learn how to be cooperative rather than adversarial. And you will also learn empathy in the sense that you will stop objectifying the other party to the conflict and you will humanize them again. Who is this course for? It's for team members because conflict most often than not emerges in teams, whether it is about the creation and execution of a large project. It's for those who lead teams and projects. It's for those who work in environments where aggressive competitive rather than empathic behavior is the norm, and that can be in a various of industries and areas. For those who want to learn how to appease conflicts within their own family, it might be between your teenage children or conflicts between your family members, conflicts between you and your spouse. It's also for law students and psychology students who want to learn a different way of resolving conflict other than negotiation or facilitative mediation. This course is structured in 5 sessions, and in session 1 we are going to learn the differences between relational mediation and negotiation or other dispute resolution styles. We are also going to learn how to create a neutral space for the parties in conflict, even though you might be one of the parties in conflict. How can a mediator or somebody who would like to embody the skills of a mediator be neutral? You are also going to learn what are the mental and emotional connections that are forming between two parties in conflict and that are affecting their communication. In session 2, we are going to learn how to make decisions when we are in conflict or in a crisis situation. We are also going to start practicing and do some role plays. In session 3, we are going to focus more on relational mediation within the office setting, so in professional relationships. We are going to do some role plays on conflicts with team members, conflicts within management, conflicts within your own team, and conflicts with clients. In session 4, we are going to focus specifically on how to mediate conflict between teams. And in session 5, we are going to focus on relational mediation in your personal life with your partner, children, parents, other extended family members, or your friends. We are going to look at the main reasons of family conflicts and what is a mediation agreement and how you can set up a mediation agreement within your own team or within your own family. I hope I'll see you there, and I hope this will play an important role, an important part in your life.